So today we are going to see how to install Oracle and SQL Developer on our local machine. So I will show you the step-by-step guide how to download and install Oracle database and SQL, and we connect Oracle database through SQL Developer. So first we have to go to Oracle official page, or you can go and Google and you can type. So let's go to here. I've already opened the screen. So here go to the Oracle and type this one, Oracle download. Uh, we are taking previous version, old version, Oracle 11G. So it will work smoothly on our home. We are using Windows, so Windows Home version. So we are not using the professional. So if you are going for professional, we can download like latest version. But for home Windows Home version, we can use this one, like 11G. So click here, and you can see the like Oracle Database Express edition. This is a free edition, so 11.2, and you can see the Oracle Database Express version for Windows 64, 32-bit, and for other operating systems. So we are interested in this one. I have 64-bit Windows. So click here, download. So it will ask you to enter uh, username and the password. If you don't have create one account, or if you have, you can use this one. Okay. So on another window, I've already logged into it. So yeah, click here. So once you log in with your credential, it will download. So here it is downloaded. So open this one. Here you see this. So open, or you can extract this one. Okay. Once you extracted it, uh, before we are going to install this one, we have to check that whether we have Java available or not. Java, we are going to check the version. If you don't have, then you have to download the JDK also. So you can go here. You can check for Java JDK also. So here you can search JDK, or you can Google it. JDK download. We can take a 1.8 also, or 8, 1.8. So here, go here, JDK. Okay. So you have to make sure that it should be JDK. So check for Windows operating system. So here you have this one. You take 64-bit. and this is exe. So I've already downloaded on my system. So you try to download this. This is exe, and it will start like installing on your system. So once you downloaded JDK, if you have, then come here, open, click this one, and start setup. It will take some time. So click accept, next, take the default wherever you want on C. You can browse if you want on a different location. Keep it as it is. If you want to take the screenshot, you can take the screenshot. What are the ports we are using? Click next. Okay. Here you see this, the password will be used for both SYS. These are the users, sys and system database connection, database account. So you give any password. So any password you can give and remember it and confirm it. So whatever password you like, and you have to remember this password when you're trying to log in, when you try to connect the database again with this username. So you have to provide the same password and click install. It will install on your system and it will say that installation completed. Meanwhile, we can install SQL Developer also. So here is the first step we have done. So we extracted and we set up and he provided the administrative password and is click install and wait for process to complete. Still we are waiting. This step we will check later on. Now we have to download the SQL Developer. SQL Developer is a client that connects to the Oracle database and we can work on that one. We can give the SQL commands, we can give the queries. So we'll see this in the later. Uh, I'll show you how to connect and all those things using the SQL Developer. And once you download the SQL Developer, it's a exe file. Just you have to double click. It will open the application and you can provide the Oracle database information that we just provided. No? Like we have to give the Oracle username sys or system and we have to provide the password that just we have provided the password during the installation. And if you have, it will ask for the JDK. So when it prompts, no, so you have to specify the location of the JDK where the JDK is already installed. So just give the location and it will take from there and it will install. It will configure the connection of database. So congratulations on successfully installing Oracle database and SQL Developer. But we are going to see that what is happening behind. So let me see here. So here you see setup has finished installing the Oracle database 11G Express on your computer. So finish this one and do here again. download SQL Developer. It will go to the same Oracle site. We download. So it will take to directly to that page. So the good thing is that this one has JDK 11 included. So you can download it. Click download. So open here. Or go to your Explorer in the downloads. Here you have the folder. Extract it. Right click. Extract all. Just give the same location. It will take some time. So it extracted that. It's still working. Let me pause it again. Looks like it extracted. So this is the folder we have. Double click. So here you have SQL Developer. So you see this in the download SQL Developer, develop SQL Developer, and here you have this one. You can send it to the shortcut to your right click and it will send to the desktop. Show more options. Okay, here it's showing show more options, send to desktop. Okay, so on the desktop you will have this icon, SQL Developer. From there you can start, or from here also you can start. Double click this one, it will open. So it's opening the, like, it's opening. Wait for some minute. Okay. So we don't have any previous version. Say no. Okay. We'll remove this one. Allow automated usage reporting to database. We don't want to send anything to Oracle. Click OK. And now, so you can create connection manually. I mean, we have downloaded the Oracle database. It's like it's a Oracle database, a backend, and this is the client we have connection. This is the, when you click green button, and then we connect to the database. You can create connection from here, or you can from new, and then it will show that the connection, and you can do from there also. But we are going to use this one, or you can use select the database connection. I mean, we have to enter the information. So what we are going to do, my first connection, you can give any name, and here you have to give the username. You remember when we were downloading Oracle, it will ask us to enter the user password for system or sys user account. So we are using system, or you can use sys also, but system, you use the system, that is the super user, and give the password the one you provided during the installation, and keep the everything same, like you are working on the local host and it's a port and its a SID is XE. If you want to connect to the remote database that is installed on the AWS or anywhere, you have to provide the that host name, like http aws.com/ something like that. Okay, so before saving this one, I want to test. So here you will see the status. When I click, it's connected, it's showing the successful. If I provide wrong password, something extra, so you will get some error, something like invalid username or denied, something like that. So remove that one, give the correct password, and here if you want to save the password, you save, click save. Save password means when you come next time, you don't have to provide the password again. Save it, save this. So here you see connection is saved on the left side here. Let me, and then connect. It is connected. So in this one we have by default there are few tables available. So I want to test the employee table. EMP table is already there. So just to make sure everything is okay, table is not does not exist. Try with the employee table. So this is a command, there we can check the tables. So these are the system tables. So there is no employee table is there. So we can create table. We have different command. So this is the installation process, like downloading Oracle, how to download, from where to download, and what to download, which version to download, and what are the clients for this one. So this is the process for installing Oracle database and SQL Developer, and connecting the Oracle with the SQL Developer.